Welcome to JH. Let's examine Pesatubesite, also known as PayTube, which claims you can earn over $20 a day by watching videos, playing games, and taking surveys. While this sounds ideal, there are major problems with this platform that we need to break down step by step. Looking at Trustpilot, the site has a poor 1.8-star rating, with most users providing only 1 star. The most frequent complaint is that payments are never issued. Even though the site marks transactions as approved, users never actually receive their money. Instead, they are left waiting while the platform collects their personal data, which is a significant red flag. We also ran the site through Scam Scanner, a reliable detection tool, which immediately flagged it as suspicious. It was identified for potential involvement in phishing and malicious activities. This means the site could attempt to steal your personal details or infect your computer with malware. This warning alone is enough reason to avoid the site entirely. If you want to earn money online, there are real ways to do it, but this isn't one of them. Save yourself the headache and stay away from this site and others that seem too good to be true. The final verdict is that PayTube is definitely a scam. It features all the classic signs: impossible earning promises, hidden ownership, terrible user experiences, and security alerts from VirusTotal. This site is built to take your time and information without delivering on its promises. It is simply not worth the risk.